Hi guys, it's Sandy here. So I've seen a lot of crafters out there make these embellishment boxes on Instagram and Pinterest as well as YouTube. And what they do is they put all their little craft supplies or craft goodies in these sort of plastic craft organizer boxes. And then what they do is they just put in all these little lovely craft supplies or just things that crafters can use in their projects. And I thought that was such a lovely way to send off a packaged goodie. But I haven't actually had the chance to make one of these myself. I bought the container, but I haven't as yet made a embellishment, a box kit. But I did make a smaller size, which is this one here. It was pretty fun to make actually. I didn't do very much. I've just added some washi around the front of the organizer box. It's quite a small one, and I've also added a pom-pom tulle pom-pom to hang it on the front with some charm and a tassel. I have a tutorial on how I made this tulle pom-pom as well, and I'll put the link down below if you wanted to have a look and see if you want to try and make one yourself. And then I've just added a butterfly die that was sent to me as a gift from one of my swap partners. So I'll just quickly show the inside. I've just added a few goodies in here, some sequins, made it in a pink and white and silver theme craft supply box. And I've added some embellishments, some trim, paper flowers, just a few little bits and pieces. And it does hold a few things in here. So that's my little embellishment box. But I thought I'd just do something a little bit different, and I thought I'd make one in a Matchbox style box. In my previous video I did another Matchbox style mini flipbook Matchbox. So when you open it out, it opens out like a Matchbox, and inside is a mini flipbook. I also will put a link down below if you wanted to have a look at a more detailed look on the this project here. I'll also put the link down below on the tutorial on how you could make one of these as well. This whole project, including the mini flipbook, just required one sheet of 12 by 12 paper, and you can get the whole project made out of that one sheet. So I'll put the link down below for this one. But what I wanted to show you was I made an every time I have washi, it just never sticks. But I'll fix that later. So I decided to make an embellishment box like this one in a Matchbox style. So this is what I made. I've just embellished the front with a D die from my stash that I have, and then I've added a little envelope down the bottom here, and there is a little note that just says just for you. So that just goes back in there, and then when you open it out, I've added some embellishment onto the top and the bottom of the box, Matchbox, and then you open it out, and this is my little embellishment compartment kit tray that I made, and it holds a few things in here. The box, I meant to tell you, the box measures, if I'm not wrong, I think it's 4 1/4 by 5 3/4. Let me just have a look 1 second. I'll just go and get, actually I might have a look on here. So the box measures 4 1/2 by, okay, so it's 3 inches, 3 inches by 4 1/2, and this is the box inside. So I've added a little glass bottle with some sequins. There are some paper flower embellishments in here. I'm actually going to give this to my niece. She's 12 years old, and she's just starting to enjoy a bit of crafting after watching me do all my crafts and coming into my room. So I thought this might be a good little starter gift pack for her to start with her crafting. And there's some other embellishments. There are also some heart wood chipboard in there. A lot of cute little tiny little things. There's some die cuts, embellishments, stick-on embellishments. There's some bows and hearts and some trim. I've added some ribbon in there as well, and I've made the theme the same as this one here, which is pink, silver and white. I've added some resin flat back cabochons in here that she can probably use in her projects, and then there is a Scrabble tile with the letter A, which is initial for her name, which is Amelia. Hi Amelia, if you're watching, this is for you. Hope you're gonna like this. And then there is just some wooden pegs in there for her to put in her craft projects as well. So I just wanted to share that with you and show you that I've made an embellishment box out of a Matchbox style box, and I just thought this was a fun project to make. I actually really enjoyed making this. If you would like to see a tutorial on how I constructed this whole box, leave a comment down below, and I'm more than happy to share with you how I created the box, as well as the inside compartments and how I put them all together in there for you. So I just wanted to show you my little project share of this embellishment box, and yeah, so I will see you in my next video, and thank you for watching, and bye for now.